friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore the wonders present in planet Earth. Planet Earth is a diverse and fascinating place with many different geographical features. These features include mountains, rivers, deserts, oceans, and more. Today we'll be exploring some of the most interesting and unique geographical features found in our planet. Mountains. Mountains are one of the most prominent features on Earth, and they can be found all over the world. They are formed through tectonic activity and erosion, and they can be tall and rugged or low and rolling. Some of the tallest mountains in the world include Mount Everest, K2, and Denali. Mountains provide habitats for a variety of plants and animals, and they also play a very important role in the water cycle. Rivers. Rivers are another important feature on Earth, and they can be found in different sizes and shapes. They are formed through erosion and can carve out impressive canyons and valleys. Some of the largest rivers in the world include the Amazon, the Nile, and the Mississippi. Rivers provide habitats for fish and other aquatic animals, and they also play a very important role in the water cycle and transportation. Deserts. Deserts are dry and arid regions that cover about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. They are formed through a combination of factors including geography and climate. Some of the largest deserts in the world include the Sahara, the Arabian Desert, and the Mojave Desert. Deserts are home to many unique plants and animals that have adapted to survive in these harsh conditions. Oceans. Oceans are some of the largest and most important features on Earth. They cover about 70% of the Earth's surface and are essential for life on our planet. Some of the largest oceans in the world include the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean. Oceans are home to a vast array of marine life from tiny plankton to massive whales. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are another unique feature found on Earth. They are formed through tectonic activity and can be found on every continent. Some of the most famous volcanoes in the world include Mount Vesuvius, Mount St. Helens, and Mauna Loa. Volcanoes have devastating effects on nearby communities, but they also provide fertile soil for agriculture. Glaciers. Glaciers are large masses of ice that can be found in colder regions of the world. They are formed through a combination of snowfall and compression over time. Some of the largest glaciers in the world include the Arctic and the Greenland ice sheet. Glaciers play an important role in the Earth's climate, and they can also have a significant impact on the landscape. Canyons. Canyons are deep, narrow valleys that are formed through erosion over time. Some of the most famous canyons in the world include the Grand Canyon, the Fish River Canyon, and the Taro River Canyon. Canyons provide habitats for a variety of plants and animals, and they also offer stunning views for visitors. Caves. Caves are underground formations that are formed through the erosion of rock and soil. Some of the most famous caves in the world include Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, Carlsbad Caverns in New Mexico, and the Potomac Caves in New Zealand. Caves offer unique environments for exploration, scientific study, and they can also be home to a variety of animals. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater formations made up for living organisms called coral polyps. They can be found in warm, shallow waters all over the world and are essential for marine ecosystem. Some of the largest coral reefs in the world include the Great Barrier Reef in Australia and the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef in Central America. Coral reefs provide habitats for a vast array of marine life, including fish, crustaceans, and sea turtles. Plateaus. Plateaus are flat, elevated regions of land that can be found all over the world. They are formed through a combination of tectonic activity and erosion. Some of the largest plateaus in the world include the Tibetan Plateau and the Altiplano in South America. Plateaus can provide unique habitats for plants and animals, and they can also offer stunning views for visitors. Waterfalls. Waterfalls are natural formations where water cascades down a steep incline. Some of the most famous waterfalls in the world include Niagara Falls, Victoria Falls, and Angel Falls. Waterfalls provide habitats for a variety of plants and animals, and they also offer stunning views for visitors. Swamps. Swamps are wetland areas that are characterized by standing water and dense vegetation. They can be found in many different regions of the world, including tropical and temperate zones. Some of the largest swamps in the world include the Okefenokee Swamp in Georgia and the Pantanal in South America. Swamps provide unique habitats for plants and animals, and they also play an important role in water filtration and flood control. Archipelagos. Archipelagos are groups of islands that are located close to each other. Some of the largest archipelagos in the world include Indonesia, the Philippines, and the Caribbean. Archipelagos provide unique habitats for plants and animals, and they also offer opportunities for exploration and adventure. Tundras. Tundras are cold, treeless regions that are found in the polar regions of the world. They are characterized by permafrost and low-growing vegetation. Some of the largest tundras in the world include the Arctic and the Alpine tundra. Tundras provide unique habitats for plants and animals, and they also play an important role in regulating the Earth's climate. Geysers. Geysers are natural hot springs that periodically shoot water and steam into the air. They can be found in many different regions of the world, including Yellowstone National Park in United States and El Tatio Geyser Field in Chile. Geysers provide unique opportunities for exploration and scientific study, and they also offer stunning natural displays. Lakes. Lakes are bodies of water that are surrounded by land. Some of the largest lakes in the world include the Caspian Sea, Lake Superior, and Lake Victoria. Capes. Capes are promontories of land that extend into the ocean or another body of water. Some of the famous capes in the world include Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and Cape Cod in the United States. Capes provide unique habitats for plants and animals, and they also offer stunning views and opportunities for exploration. In conclusion, planet Earth is home to a vast array of geographical features that offer unique habitats for plants and animals, opportunities for scientific study and exploration, and stunning natural beauty for visitors to enjoy. From mountains and forests to deserts and reefs, each of these features has its own distinctive characteristics and plays an important role in the Earth's ecosystem and climate. These features also play a crucial role in shaping human cultures and society. Mountains have provided natural barriers and boundaries, while rivers and oceans have served as trade routes and transportation hubs. Deserts have challenged human survival skills and inspired the creation of innovative technologies, while forests and coral reefs have provided important resources for food, medicine, and shelter. As we continue to explore and study the Earth's geography, it is important to remember the interconnectivity between humans and the natural world, and to strive for sustainable practices that will ensure the preservation of these precious resources for generations to come. With that being said, I leave you today with sweet memories to appreciate the beauty of the so-called pale blue dot. Do come back again for a journey to explore through another fascinating topic. Till then, take care and subscribe to our channel.